Remove the valve stem. Put a bottle jack on the tire, braced on the top to something heavy. Inch or half inch or so from the rim. Pop the bead. Break the valve stem off. Push this out with the screwdriver. New valve stem. Put the cap on it. Pull it up with the pliers. Nice and easy. Wiggle it. Make sure it's in the groove. You feel the groove. Get the bottle jack out of there. Take the side that you worked on, point it down, lift it up, drop it, just kind of set it back in there. Just sit on the tire a little bit to put some pressure on the bead and then pump it up.